From page to prototype, echoes of sci-fi in today's tech. Science fiction has always been a window into the future, a playground for our wildest dreams and technological aspirations. Remember the communicators in Star Trek? They seemed impossible then, but today we carry smartphones that make Captain Kirk's device look ancient. Artificial intelligence, once a staple of dystopian sci-fi, is now helping us with everyday tasks, from filtering spam to recommending movies. These examples highlight the powerful link between imagination and innovation. Science fiction doesn't just predict the future, it actively shapes it. By daring to dream of new possibilities, sci-fi writers and filmmakers inspire scientists and engineers to turn those dreams into reality. The line between fiction and fact blurs as we witness the emergence of technologies once confined to the pages of our favorite sci-fi stories. The journey from science fiction to scientific reality is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a journey fueled by curiosity, creativity, and a relentless pursuit of progress. As we stand on the cusp of even more groundbreaking advancements, it's clear that science fiction will continue to be a driving force behind our technological evolution. Printing the future, 3D printing and the promise of replication. Remember the replicator in Star Trek, a device capable of materializing anything from a steaming cup of Earl Grey tea to a replacement tricorder? While we're not quite there yet, 3D printing is bringing us closer to that reality. This revolutionary technology allows us to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs, building them layer by layer with astonishing precision. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has already made significant inroads in various fields. In medicine, it's used to create prosthetics, implants, and even human tissue. The aerospace industry utilizes 3D printing to manufacture lightweight components, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. From customized jewelry to intricate architectural models, the possibilities seem endless. As 3D printing technology advances, we can envision a future where we can print almost anything on demand, from everyday objects to complex machinery. Imagine printing your own clothes, toys, or even a replacement part for your appliance, all from the comfort of your home. While we may not be replicating Earl Grey tea just yet, the future of 3D printing holds immense potential to revolutionize manufacturing and reshape our world. A universe of connection, video calls, and beyond. Remember the Jetsons, a futuristic family who enjoyed video calls from the comfort of their living room? This staple of science fiction has become an integral part of our daily lives. Video conferencing technology has advanced rapidly, connecting people across continents in real time, bridging distances and fostering global collaboration. The evolution of video calls has been remarkable. From clunky pixelated images to high-definition video and crystal-clear audio, the experience has become increasingly immersive. Virtual meetings, remote learning, and telehealth consultations are just a few examples of how video conferencing has transformed the way we interact and work. The future of video communication promises even greater immersion and interactivity. Imagine holographic projections that allow us to interact with remote participants as if they were physically present. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are poised to further blur the lines between the physical and digital realms, creating entirely new ways to connect and collaborate. Steering toward tomorrow, the rise of autonomous vehicles. The concept of self-driving cars has long captivated our imaginations, from the futuristic vehicles in Minority Report to the sleek, autonomous pods in sci-fi literature. Today, this vision is rapidly becoming a reality. Advances in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and machine learning are paving the way for autonomous vehicles to navigate our roads with increasing sophistication. Driverless cars hold the promise of safer, more efficient transportation. By eliminating human error, which is a major factor in accidents, self-driving cars have the potential to significantly reduce traffic fatalities. Furthermore, autonomous vehicles can optimize routes and driving patterns, reducing congestion and minimizing fuel consumption. While widespread adoption of driverless cars still faces challenges, including regulatory hurdles and public perception, the technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. As autonomous vehicles become more sophisticated and reliable, they have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making our roads safer, our commutes more efficient, and our cities more livable. Science fiction continues to inspire future technologies. Imagine mind-reading devices, lab-grown human organs, fusion power, asteroid mining, and even emulating human personalities. These concepts, once purely fictional, are now the focus of cutting-edge research and development. Mind-reading technology, once a staple of telepathic sci-fi characters, is now being explored through brain-computer interfaces, potentially allowing us to control devices with our thoughts. Lab-grown organs, once the realm of medical miracles in stories, are now being developed to address organ shortages and save lives. Fusion power, the holy grail of clean energy, is moving closer to reality with advancements that could one day provide limitless energy. Asteroid mining, often depicted as a futuristic gold rush, is being seriously considered by space agencies and private companies for its potential to provide valuable resources. And the concept of emulating human personalities seen in AI characters in movies is being pursued through advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These innovations, inspired by the imaginative worlds of science fiction, hold the potential to transform our reality in ways we once only dreamed of. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the line between fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred, opening up a future filled with endless possibilities. From 3D printing to driverless cars, science fiction continues to shape our technological future. Thanks for joining us on this two-part journey of the making of everything. If you enjoyed this exploration of sci-fi becoming reality, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What sci-fi technology should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below.